Good morning, it's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with a long overdue video. I just want to say welcome back to the channel to all my OGs, and I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and all my new visitors to the channel. I just want to reach out to y'all and just say, man, I appreciate you guys for staying down, even though that, you know, I have been inactive on the channel. But all that is going to stop. I'm back. I done came up out of my slumber. I was really working on a project, trying to like get everything, you know, like I guess I was just trying to jump from phase 1 straight to phase 3, you know, so I can just, you know, have just dynamic content for you guys. But then I had to sit back and I had to realize and say, you know what, I need to bring these guys step by step like I did with my last project, just to give you guys a rundown or rewind and go back into the past. I had a 2017 Mustang GT. Started off full bow tone, really not full bow tone because I had the stop manifold still, but I ran the PMOS air intake, full length headers, H-pipe, everything was MBRP, catback system. I had lowering springs, I had shocks and struts through Steeda, and I had various little suspension components. But it's not like Mad Titan 3.0, because it went from Mad Titan to Mad Titan 2.0, which I threw on a 3.2 liter Kenny Bell, ran E85 fuel system, and it was pumping out good power. I was ranging around 18.7, 18.9 pounds of boost. And when I say that guy was really moving, that guy was really moving. I really missed the car, I ain't even gonna lie to you. But at the same time, I think that I might have came up and came out better. I'm gonna do the same thing, but instead of Kenny Bell, which they don't make a kit for this, I'm doing the Whipple. All right, I'm going straight to the Whipple. I'm making it happen. All right, now, if you guys remember, or if you go to my previous video, the last video that I pretty much was making was that, you know, I got the car full length headers, Corsa double H pipe with Corsa active valve exhaust, which makes the exhaust a full catback, and now the extreme, you know, because I have a mid pipe. It could be an H pipe or it could be an X pipe, paired, coupled with their active valve axle backs, and it becomes the extreme. Other than that, it's just a sport kit. But we fast forward, that was phase 1. Okay, I jumped into phase 2, and what I mean by that is I got everything Steeda suspension that Steeda can offer. The only thing that I don't have is sway bar, front and rear sway bar. I kind of integrated the 2 kits that they had, which was the Stop the Hop kit, the Ultimate kit, and the drag kit. The only thing from that I did not take out of the drag kit was the drag springs. I went with the progressive rate springs. So I'm gonna let you guys see what that looks like as far as the ride height. I did phase 1, which was my suspension package. Now I did phase 2, which is my wheels and tires. So without further ado, I'm gonna spin it around. What the car is sitting at right at this moment. And of course, we're going to phase 3, which is the 3.0 Whipple kit. And then of course, we're gonna go from there. I'll document all that as we go along with that. But as you can see, I got the Ferrada FR4s wrapped with the Toyo R888Rs. Yes, I want to recommend that you get these tires. They are very sticky. Right now, you know, I'm all motor, so it's not like I'm really putting the power that I want to put with the car. on them, but they are very good in the rain as it sits. Normally, like I had on my last car, my previous car, I had the Mickey Thompson Street SS's, and I couldn't go over 40 miles an hour when it rained. You can just feel the back end drifting and all of that. With these tires, I done got up to 75, 80 miles an hour. Now, I'm gonna give you the specs on these rims. My front rims are 20/9, positive offset of 25, which, as you can see, makes it come out and clear the brakes, because if you don't go if you don't go positive 25 or deeper, you're gonna hit those the big brake kicks, or you know, the standard Brembo brake 4 pistons. It's wrapped in 255 35/20 Archer. As you can see, they picking up everything, picking up all the rocks, and that's what the progressor rate in the front looks like. It's 1.1 inch drop. Now we're going to go to the back. The back, as you can see, I'm not a tire master, but I learned, and what I mean by that, I learned that the aspect ratio is not the same across all tires. So by getting a 35, or you know, I got, as you can see on the back of this rim, which is a 20/10.5 offset positive 38, the go-to for most guys that roll the rims on the back of the Mustang is a positive 40, where they didn't have the positive 40 in the 10.5 inch for the FR4s. I originally wanted the FR2s, but they was on back order. I guess they were just hot. I mean, I got good taste, and as you can see, they was back ordered like 90 days out. So I said, you know what, the FR4s look good, I could roll with them, as you can see. And then we come and look at it like this. Man, they beautiful. Now, this is what I mean. Now, I'm only 1 inch drop in the back, but as you can see, before my springs can stiffen up, and I put the power down, it dug into the tire probably about almost a whole inch, but it's not going no further than that. So it done already made this mark. It's good. I can do rolls and all that kind of stuff. I've been doing it, been playing with it. But to get back to the aspect ratio, these are 305 35/20, right? And me being uninformed as far as with tires, I'm thinking that all 35s are the same sidewall height, and it's not, because the 35, or the middle number, is just the aspect ratio, the percentage towards the width of the tire. So in actuality, these are a lot taller than my stock height, which was 265 35/20. So in actuality, once again, it's changing the ratio of my gears. Now I got the stock gears of the 315, which are the longer gears, right? And this is a 10R80. But when I tried to do a roll, a 60 roll, when I let off the gas to get down to 60, it would not let me drop. It would not let me downshift to the lower gear. I can only do it in third gear. When a 60 with a 315 gear ratio, that'll be second gear, which will keep me in the power band. But no, it's third gear, because these tires, because of the size of them, they give an extra 4 miles per hour faster than my stock, right? So it won't let me, the transmission, the computer say, no buddy, you're going a little bit too fast, even though on my dash it's telling me I'm at 60, but I'm really like 64 65. So I'll have to drop it down to about 55 on the dash in order to get into second gear. But me doing research, let me turn it back around. Me doing research, right? I found out that I need to do the 315 30 20, and that'll put me roughly damn near neck to neck with the 265 35 20. I looked at the revs per mile. The sidewall height is gonna be perfect. It's gonna fit like a glove. I don't have to worry about the frame of the car rubbing the tires or any of that nonsense. But right now it still runs, it still rides good. It done already did what it had to do with the tires. As you can see on this side though, it pretty much like just shaved it a little bit. As you can see how sticky the stuff is. I'll get goof off and get that off, but other than that, man, I'm like, you can't beat it. You can't beat it at all. You just can't beat it. So to give you another update on the car, I got the PMOS cold air intake on here that I ended up taking off of my old 2017, and I got that on there. I got of course the full length headers, stainless works, plus the sun coming up, y'all. The sun coming up. Let me try to get out the sun. I don't want to blind y'all, and I don't want to be blinded. Okay, bam, here we go. Oh yeah, and I'm in the little dungeon, you know, where I keep all my car stuff. So yeah, but yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. And like I say, man, phase 3 is coming soon. I wanted to just jump on out there and be already ready. Really, I wanted to start filming when I was in the shop, you know what I'm saying, and stuff like that, man, because I didn't want to hold you guys any longer with all this talking. I didn't, you know, but you guys were reaching out to me like, hey man, where you been, man? We need some kind of content, we need something, you know. And I looked at it as y'all just probably want to know if I was okay, man. Is everything all right? Am I safe? But yes, I am. I'm just putting together stuff, you know. I'm just trying to make it right, because I don't want to just give you guys anything. And you know, I don't want to just be like, oh man, he just throwing anything at us and all this kind of stuff, because I want to keep you guys interested. I want to keep you guys into, you know, what I got going on. But with all that, you know, I ain't gonna hold you guys longer, man, because we like 12 minutes in and I can't believe it went that fast to me. But yeah, this is where I'm at, man. So I hope you guys like the way the car is looking, you know, because I'm really enjoying it, man. It's really, you know, that sun glare, man. I'm trying really not to let that. Yeah, they got them meats, man. Try to catch it like that. Man, that's a pretty cover shot right there, ain't it? Damn. All right, I ain't gonna hold you guys up any longer, man. It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0. If you like this kind of content, you know what I'm saying, please like, share, subscribe. You know, if you don't, still drop a comment. Tell me what I need to work on. Tell me what I need to do. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you also for checking out my videos and liking what I did in the past, in the past tense, whatever you want to call it. Hitting that subscribe button, joining the family, man. You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it up with me. I just want to say, man, I love you guys. I appreciate it, man. It's your boy Mustang Muscle out. Peace.